Hi guys, today we're going to see how you can customize the checkout page of your WooCommerce website. Let's say you have an e-commerce website and you have a default checkout page like this. And now you want to customize your checkout page. You can do that easily by watching this video. So after watching this video, you will be able to customize your checkout page like this. And we will also see how you can edit the form fields on the checkout page, which will let your customers quickly complete their orders. And then we will also see how you can recommend products to your customers during their checkout like this, which will encourage your customers to purchase more products. Recommending products like this will boost your average order value and increase the overall profit for the sale. So let's get started. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's customize the checkout page on our e-commerce website. First, let's see the site where we want to customize the checkout page. Here it is. Now to customize the checkout page, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to install the Cartflows plugin. So to install the plugin, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click Add New. Now here, search for Cartflows. And you will get this plugin. Now this is the plugin which will help us customize the checkout page. So to install the plugin, let's click Install and then click Activate. So now we have successfully installed the plugin. And you can see that we have a new item called Cartflows. So once you have installed the plugin, we can go to step 2, which is to import a design for the checkout page. Now to create a custom checkout page, we're going to import a design and then edit it. So to import the design, let's go to Cartflows, click Flows, then click Add New. And here you will find different designs for the checkout page. So just select the design which you like. I'm going to choose this one. Now click here. As you can see, we have got 3 pages on this design. Now if you click Checkout, you can see the design of your checkout page. Okay, now if you want to apply this design to your e-commerce site, all you have to do is just click Import Flow. Here, enter a title for your design. I'm going to enter Global Checkout and click Import. Now the design has been imported into your site. And as you can see, we have the pages which we saw in the preview. Now if you want to delete any page, just click here, click Delete, then click OK. And the page will be deleted. So now we have successfully imported the design for our checkout page. Now let's see how it looks on our website. Let's go to our site. Now click on any product and add it to cart. Now if we click Proceed to Checkout, you can see that we still have our default page here and our new checkout page does not appear. Now to display our new checkout page on our site, you need to set the new checkout page as your default page. So to do that, let's go back to our site and click Settings. Now to set the checkout page, just click here, select the checkout page which we just created, and then click Save Settings. Now if you go back to this tab and click Refresh, you can see that we have now got a new checkout page on our site. Once you have got the checkout page, we can now go to step 3, which is to edit the contents of your checkout page. So to edit this checkout page, just click Edit with Elementor and it will take you to this editing mode. Now let's say you want to change this image. All you have to do is just click on the image and click here. Now drag and drop an image from your computer. As you can see, the image has been changed. In the same way, you can change any image on this page. Now let's say you want to change this text. Just select the text and then start typing anything you want. Okay, now in the same way, you can edit any text you want on this page. Just select the text and then start typing. Next, let's say you want to change this background color. So to change the color, just right click on the section and click Edit. Now click Style. Then click here and choose the color you want. As you can see, the color has been changed. Once you're done with all the changes, just click Update. Now if we go back to our site and click Refresh, you can see that all the changes have been made here. Now if we fill up these details and click Place Order, you will get this thank you page. As you can see, we have the default text here. Now to edit this page, just click Edit with Elementor. So like we did before, you can start editing this page. Okay, now we have successfully edited the contents of your checkout page. So now you know how you can customize the design of your checkout page. Next, let's see how you can edit the form fields of your checkout page. So to edit the fields, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to install a plugin. So to install the plugin, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click Add New. Now here, search for Checkout Field Editor. And you will get this plugin. Now this is the plugin which will help us edit our form fields. So to install the plugin, let's click Install. And then click Activate. So now we have successfully installed the plugin. Once you have installed the plugin, we can go to step 2, which is to edit the form fields. So to edit the form fields, just click Checkout Fields and it will take you to this page. Here you can see the fields of your checkout page. Now if you want to disable any field, all you have to do is just click on the field, then click here, and this field will be disabled. Now if you want to make this field in full size, just drag this field and drop it here. Then click the plus icon. As you can see, the field size has been changed. Now you can change the field name from here. Just select the text, then type the text you want, and it will be changed here. Now if you want to add a placeholder text, you can add it here. Now if you want to disable this field, just click on this field and click here, and it will be disabled. Now if you want to rearrange the fields, just drag the field and drop it wherever you want. Okay, once you have done editing the fields, just click Save Changes. Now if we go back to our checkout page, you can see that this is how our field looked before. Now if we click refresh, you can see that our form fields have been changed. So this is how you can edit the fields on your checkout page. Okay, now you know how you can customize your checkout page for free using the Cartflows plugin. This plugin also has a premium version with some great features where you can recommend products to your customers during their checkout like this. And also, it has premium templates like these which you can use on your website. Next, let's see how you can get the premium features. So to get the premium features, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to get the Cartflows Pro plugin. So to get the plugin, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now this is the place where we are going to get the Cartflows Pro plugin and its features. So to get the plugin, just click Get Cartflows. And here you can see that we have 2 different plans. Select the plan you want. I'm going to select this plan. Now to get the plugin, fill up these details. Now scroll down and enter your card details. Then click Buy Now to make the payment. So now we've successfully made the payment and we have got the plugin download link here. Now to download the plugin, click Download Now and it will take you to the Cartflows dashboard. Now go to Downloads and here you can see that we have got our Pro plugin. So to download this plugin, let's click Download and the plugin will be downloaded to your computer. Once you have got the plugin, we can go to the second step, which is to install this plugin in WordPress. So to install this plugin, just go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins, click Add New, then click Upload Plugin. And then drag the plugin file and drop it here. As you can see, the plugin has been selected. Now to install the plugin, just click Install and then click Activate. Here you can see that our plugin is not fully activated. Now to activate it, just click here and it will ask you to enter the plugin key. So to get that, let's go back to Cartflows and click API keys. As you can see, we have the key here. So let's copy this. Go back to your dashboard and then paste it here. Now if you click Activate, you can see that the plugin has been activated. So now we've successfully installed the plugin on our site. Once you've installed the plugin, next, let's see the premium features one by one. So the first feature is called Upsell. Upsell is the process of convincing your customers to buy an additional product, or you can also suggest a product at a higher cost. For example, if someone is purchasing a mobile phone, you can suggest them a mobile case as an upsell. Or you can also suggest them an expensive mobile phone with better features. In this way, you can increase the overall profit for the sale. Now let's see how you can create an upsell. To create an upsell, let's go back to our dashboard. Now go to Cartflows and click Flows. Here you can see that we have got a checkout page which we created before. So let's click on it. And then click Add New Step. Now to create an upsell, click Upsell. And here you will find different designs for the upsell. So just select the design which you like. I'm going to choose this one. Now to see the preview of the design, just click Preview. And you can see how it looks. Now to import this design, all you have to do is just go back to your dashboard and click Import. Now it will ask you to enter a name for your upsell. So let's enter the name, then click Import step. And the upsell has been added here. Now as you can see, it says invalid position. Since we want our upsell to come after the customer places the order, let's drag the upsell and drop it below the checkout page. Next, let's add the product to our upsell. Now to add the product, just click Edit, then click Products. Now click here and search the product which you want to add as an upsell. Once you've selected the product, now if you want to add a discount to this product, just click here and select the discount type and then enter your discount value in this field. Once you have done that, just click Save Settings. Okay, once you have selected the product, now to add the product to the upsell page, click Design, then click Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to this editing mode. Now let's delete this image and add our product image. So just right click on it and then click Delete. Now here, search for product image. And you will get this item. Just drag the offer product item and drop it here. As you can see, our upsell product image has been added here. Now to delete this, just right click on it and then click Delete. Now to add the product title, search for product title. Now drag the offer product title and drop it here, and the product title will be added here. In the same way, we can add the product price. So let's go here and search for product price. Now drag the offer product price and drop it here. As you can see, the price has been added. Now let's say you want to change these texts. Just select the text and then enter your own text. In the same way, you can change any text you want on this page. Once you're done with all the changes, just click Update. So now we've successfully created the upsell. Okay, next, let's see how the upsell feature works. So let's go back to our site. Now let's say a customer adds this product to their cart and clicks Proceed to Checkout. Now if they click Place Order, you can see that it takes them to the upsell page where we have a product which we just added. Now if they want to purchase this product, they can just click Add to Cart and the product will be added to their order. Okay, so this is how you can upsell a product to your customers. Now let's say a customer does not want to add the product which you are trying to upsell. Now if they click No Thanks, it will take them to the thank you page. Now instead of getting this page, you can recommend another product with a lesser price for your customer. This feature is called downsell. Next, let's see how you can create a downsell. So to create a downsell, let's go back to our dashboard and click Add New Step. Now go to Downsell and select any design you like. I'm going to select this. So let's click Import and enter a name for the downsell. Then click Import Step. As you can see, the downsell has been added here. Okay, now to show the downsell page to your customers, when they click No Thanks on your upsell page, just drag the downsell and drop it below the upsell. Once you've done that, now to add the product to your downsell, just click Edit, then click Products, and you will get this page. Like we did before, you can add a product here. Just click here, search for the product. Once you have selected the product, just click Save Settings. Now to add the product to the downsell page, click Design, then click Edit with Elementor. Now like we did before, you can edit this page. Once you're done with all the changes, just click Update. So now we have successfully created the downsell. Now let's see how it works. Let's say a customer has got an upsell like this, and if they click No Thanks, it will take them to the downsell page. Now if they want to buy this product, all they have to do is just click Add to Cart. And the product will be added to their order. Okay, so this is how you can downsell a product to your customers. Next, let's see the third feature, which is Order Bump. This feature allows you to recommend products related to your customer's order on their checkout page like this. Okay, next, let's see how you can create an order bump on your website. So to create an order bump, let's go to our dashboard. Now go to Cartflows, click Flows, and click out Global Checkout. Now to create the order bump, click Edit on the checkout page, then click Order Bump, and enable this option. Now here you need to select a product which you want to recommend during the checkout. So to add a product, let's click here and search for the product. Now to add the image for this product, click here and select your product image. Then click Select. As you can see, the image has been added. And also, you can change the product description here. Once you have done that, just click Save Settings. So now we have successfully created the order bump. Next, let's see how it works. Now if we go to our checkout page, and click Refresh, you can see that we have got the product which we just added to our order bump. Now let's say a customer wants to add this product to their order. All they have to do is just click on the checkbox and the product has been added to their order. Now if they click Place Order, the order will be placed on your site. So this is how you can create an order bump and recommend product to your customers. Okay, next, let's see the fourth feature of the premium plugin, which is the checkout field editor option. In the free version of the Cartflows plugin, we installed a separate plugin for editing the checkout fields. Now in the premium version, we have an option to edit the fields of our checkout page. So all you have to do is just go to your dashboard. Now go to Cartflows, click Flows, and click here. Now click Edit. Go to Form Fields and enable this option. Now you can start editing the fields of your checkout page. Okay, next, let's see the last feature of the Cartflows premium plugin, which is premium templates. So to get premium templates, let's go to Templates. Here, as you can see, we have different types of premium templates which you can apply to your checkout page. You can choose the design you want and start customizing your checkout page. Okay, these are the premium features of the Cartflows Pro plugin which you can use to customize your checkout page. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to customize your checkout page on your WooCommerce website. Now if you want to know how to make a mobile app for your e-commerce website, you can watch this video. And if you want to learn how to run Facebook ads, you can watch this video. And also make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.